Jonah decided to purchase this Razor MX500 little dirt bike off Facebook Marketplace. And when he bought the bike, it was fully assembled, and he was super excited about building it. And 6 months later, here we are with the bike in a million pieces and trying to upgrade the bike. As you can see, he's in a million pieces. He's got a broken leg. It's not broken, knee stuff. But anyways, it did come with the 48 volt kit and the Vevor motor. We don't have a lot of money to be dumping a huge amount of money into Electro and Co stuff. So what we've decided to do is at least get all the chassis and the suspension stuff correct. As you can also see, I'm kind of in the machining business, so we're going to make a bunch of custom parts. We already started making some custom battery mount prototype parts, and we're going to try and get the chassis sound so later we can upgrade this bike with bigger motor, bigger battery, bigger whatever Jonah wants. So with that, today's adventure is we need to find a way to mount this controller. Jonah, do you want to pick up that motor for me? Pick up the motor, just hold it up. So we want to figure out a way to mount, we've already cut out some of the stock stuff. So we want to find a way to mount this controller right here. So we're going to go through the process of designing a custom bracket and then getting this mounted up. Our main goal is to get all of the pieces mocked up and fabricated so that we can tear this thing down, get it powder coated, and then kind of get it to the final color.